Hi, I'm Ashna, Next Gen G5. As you read the title, I'm going to be speaking about science inclined plane. Inclined plane is a simple machine. Simply, any flat surface is known as a plane. Example is this table. But when the plane is inclined, it is known as an inclined plane. Example is this ramp. To move heavy loads with low effort, we use inclined plane. For example, you have to push a man in a wheelchair, but it's on the stairs. It requires more effort. It will be hard, but when you do it with an inclined plane or a plane, it will be very easy. Here, let me show you another example. This is a structure made with blocks. I have made it. This is a staircase, by the way. So here we have a ball, a stone, a ramp, and staircase, of course. And it's gonna require a lot of effort for this stone to go from bottom to top and top to bottom. Let's see the effort required. Observe the effort put into it. We have to lift the stone down. Now let's try it with an inclined plane. A ball. I didn't put that much effort into it to go from bottom to top. Let's try top to bottom. I didn't require much effort in it either. So hence using an inclined plane is very easy. So this was the topic that I wanted to share with you. For more videos with various topics, subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.